John Nash was born in 1928 in Bluefield, West Virginia. His father was an electrical engineer, his mother a school teacher who pushed him relentlessly. He was difficult, solitary, fascinated by puzzles, and utterly uninterested in the social rituals of other children. At Carnegie Tech and then Princeton, he was known for his arrogance and his brilliance in equal measure. He submitted a 27-page PhD dissertation at 22. Von Neumann and Morgenstern had published their foundational work on game theory in 1944, focusing on zero-sum games, situations where one player's gain is another's loss. But most real competition isn't zero-sum. Nash asked, what happens when multiple players each act in their own interest in non-zero-sum games? Is there always a stable outcome? Nash proved there is always a stable point, now called the Nash equilibrium, in which no player can improve their outcome by unilaterally changing strategy, given what everyone else is doing. It doesn't require coordination, trust, or communication. It emerges from self-interest alone. This became the foundational concept of modern economics, evolutionary biology, and strategic decision theory. In his early 30s, Nash began experiencing paranoid delusions, seeing patterns and messages in newspapers, believing he was being recruited by aliens, identifying himself as a messianic figure. He was diagnosed with paranoid schizophrenia. He spent decades in and out of psychiatric institutions. His wife, Alicia, despite their divorce, eventually remarried him and cared for him. Princeton gave him an unofficial desk. Nash slowly recovered, through what he described as a deliberate process of rejecting irrational thought. In 1994, he received the Nobel Prize in Economics. In 2015, he received the Abel Prize in Norway, the highest honor in mathematics. He was killed that same day in a taxi crash returning from the airport, alongside Alicia. The Nash equilibrium is taught in every economics department on Earth.